Hello, anda bersama dengan saya Nurhana Ismail dan anda sedang menyaksikan Business Alternatif. Sebentar tadi saya baru saja menghadiri pelancaran sistem GPS pertama dan juga taksi booking online yang pertama di Malaysia oleh Sunlight Unicab Link. Dan bersama-sama dengan saya untuk membincangkan tentang hal ini adalah Executive Director of Sunlight Unicab Link, Miss Choi Wei Lee. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you very much.
First and foremost, congratulations.
Thank you very
for
much.
The launch.
It's our honor.
It's the first GPS-enabled and taxi booking system online.
Yeah.
Okay, how does this idea came about?
Okay, I think our vision is actually really to improve the taxi service in Malaysia, and we really would like to change the perception of the public toward the taxi service in Malaysia. So this innovation is all about that, to achieve the vision. Yeah.
Okay. Previously, how do you actually find the taxi service in Malaysia? Personally, from a company that actually set up Sunlight Unicab.
I think the perception now not so pleasant, but I think that there is a lot of the good driver out there which are giving a good service. The thing is sometimes the system, like last time what we used, like the trunk radio, so because it is a very manual based, so the service that we give probably a bit inefficient. The customer may have to call and they have to wait around about 15 to 20 minutes to get a cab, but with this innovation, the using of this taxi, deployment of this taxi GPS system, we are very confident it will shorten the waiting time for booking a taxi, and then we can exactly pinpoint where is the nearest taxi to the customer, and this one definitely improve the efficiency for the taxi service.
Right. The chairman of SPAD actually came to launch together the GPS-enabled and also taxi booking system. Tan Sri Syed Hamid Albar. What does he have to say about this?
Like just now, his speech, he think we really definitely have to work toward. It's not about being the first, but we have to continue to provide a good service to the public, because I think taxi is a very important mode in terms of public transport.
Yeah, these days, right? True. Okay, what does the taxi drivers have to say now that you've actually launched the system?
Yeah, based on our statistics, actually, I'm happy to tell that actually we are able to dispatch more jobs to the taxi driver. Average from last time 5 jobs, now actually increased to 10 to 15 the job for the taxi drivers per day. So with that, the driver income also improve.
By how many percent you say?
Actually, it's around, based on our study, it's about 30 to 50%. It depends on the drivers. Okay.
Ms. Choi, how does the system work? Because I understand there's actually 2 systems, one cater for the customer and also one for the taxi drivers. Can you please care to explain more?
Yeah, actually today we have launched 2 things. One is actually we call it GPS taxi dispatching system.
GPS taxi dispatching system.
Yeah, where this system is actually installed in the driver's taxis. Another one is actually our taxi mobile application, smartphone application, which the customer can download to their from the App Store or Android or even BlackBerry to book the taxi via phone or via the iPad or the very new technology now.
So it works both ways. So is it user friendly for the customers?
Yeah, I think you have to try to download it. And then, actually it's very user-friendly. Actually, what we design, the features and the function is actually what is meant to provide a very convenient and easy way for customer to book a cab.
Why do you think there is actually a need for the taxi drivers? Because they say that it's okay, I know the place already, no need for GPS. But how can you convince the taxi drivers that, you know what, use GPS is more efficient as compared to the traditional way, of just like guessing and, how are you going to convince them?
Actually, by the driver install our GPS. Actually, our group we do all the marketing. We do our marketing to get more job, like the airport trip, we tie up with the corporate partners to book our cab. So they don't have to turn around, and then they don't have to really go to find their customer. They can, we just distribute the job, and they can save their fuel, save their energy and time to search for customer.
It's more efficient, right?
Yes.
And it works both ways. Both parties can benefit, the customer and also the taxi driver. All right, Ms. Choi, we'll be taking a short break. Kita akan cakap lebih lanjut lagi tentang sistem ini. Selepas ini di Business Alternatif, jangan ke mana-mana. Menaiki taksi ini lebih mudah dengan sistem GPS dan juga taksi booking secara online bersama dengan Sunlight Unicab Link. Kembali lagi di Business Alternative, saya bersama dengan Executive Director Sunlight Unicab Link, Ms. Choi Wei. Alright, just now we talk about the applications. Let's talk more about the applications. Now, if the taxi drivers are interested to actually apply the system, how can they do so?
Actually, the driver can come to look for us. Actually, our call center is actually in Sri Petaling, so they can just pay a very small subscription fee per month, and then they will get to install this system. Yeah, they just need to pay a monthly fees about 180 ringgit per month to enjoy this service.
Okay, in the 180, so they'll be able to get maintenance and service. Everything is covered.
Yeah, everything include in that. So when they come to install this system, we will have a very professional training team to teach them how to use and explain. I think this system is also very easy to use and very user friendly. Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Okay.
If the job when customer call us, then I think the address will display on this terminal.
Okay.
So when the driver really want to pick up the passenger, they can just push a button, the bid button. And then if he is the nearest or the system, we'll confirm him as the driver to pick up the passenger.
Right, with the system just newly launched, how many taxi drivers and customers do you think that the target is going to actually use the system?
Okay, actually this system we have do an R&D and start deploy about a year. Okay. So we are very proud to say that we have about 1,000 taxi driver already subscribed for this service.
Wow, congratulations!
Yes,
that's a lot.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Actually, it's not a lot. Actually, our target is actually
because it's newly launched.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, because actually we are planning to deploy this service. I mean, introduce this service to about all the taxi if can, because this system can help the driver to improve their income and earning. So we really hope to introduce this to more taxi drivers so that more taxi drivers can benefit from this system. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Now about the apps that the customers can actually download it and use. What are your targets? What are targets number?
No, we don't have a target. I really hope that as many people to download this, because this is really a very convenient and very user-friendly way of booking taxi. Yeah, so I hope everybody can try to download the app. Yeah.
Right. The application is for Samsung, for Android, for Android and also iPhone users. What about those who are using BlackBerry and also Windows Phone?
Yeah, actually, I think as we all know, most of the like us, we all using like iPhone and like Samsung, all the Android support phone. So I think BlackBerry maybe we will launch. Maybe we'll do it maybe in the next few months time.
Okay. And the same goes to Windows Phone as well.
Yes.
Right. In terms of the frequency of the updates, how frequent is it?
This one we will try to upgrade it when on and off, because I think this is just the beginning. So I think a lot of the user-friendly features and the functionality, I think we will keep on update to ensure to give a very good system and very user-friendly system to the passenger. Yeah.
With the newly system just launched, I'm sure there are challenges such as the people have been saying that because you're using the apps is using Google Maps, and I'm sure some people question the accuracy of the Google Map. How do you overcome it?
Okay, actually the Google Map is just a reference for the car for the passenger, but the most important thing is that they have to key in their address, the pickup point, and the pickup address clearly into the apps. So this will definitely solve their problem. Yeah. Then the driver will get to know the address, and definitely they will get to the place where they key to pick them up. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Last but not least, what are your hopes for the newly launched GPS system? For the cab drivers, for your company, and also for the customers.
Okay. Of course, I hope that this one, like I say, we will provide a better, all this, we aim to provide a better service and more convenient, efficient, reliable, safe service to the passenger by introducing the taxi booking apps. And with this GPS system, we help to, the deployment of this system, we hope that it can help our drivers to earn more higher and stable income, so they have a better livelihood. For our company, if everybody success, then I believe that we will be benefited from that.
Right, true. Thank you so much, Ms. Choi Wei.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for being with us with this investment alternative. Baiklah saudara, itu sahaja masa yang kita ada. Sebelum saya akhiri, apa yang kita lihat dahulu kod ini. Sampai di sini saja Business Alternative. Kita jumpa lagi. Bye-bye.